Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Private Ltd. With their exceptional expertise and cutting-edge technology, they are the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd. is known for their innovative approach and attention to detail, ensuring that every project is completed with precision and accuracy. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd. apart from other companies is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of meeting deadlines and delivering high-quality results. Whether you need reverse engineering services for automotive parts, machinery components, or any other product, they have the experience and skills to provide you with the best solutions. Located in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, Scon Design India Private Ltd. is strategically positioned to serve clients in Delhi NCR and beyond. Their state-of-the-art facilities are equipped with advanced equipment and software, allowing them to handle projects of any size and complexity. From 3D scanning to CAD modeling and prototyping, they offer a comprehensive range of services to meet your specific requirements. When you choose Scon Design India Private Ltd. for your reverse engineering needs, you can expect nothing but the best. Their team of experts comprises highly skilled engineers and designers who are well-versed in the latest industry trends and technologies. They will work closely with you to understand your goals and objectives, ensuring that the end result exceeds your expectations. With their extensive experience in reverse engineering, Scon Design India Private Ltd. has gained a reputation for delivering exceptional results. They have successfully completed numerous projects for clients across various industries, including automotive, aerospace, consumer goods, and more. If you're looking for top-notch reverse engineering services, look no further than Scon Design India Private Ltd. Located in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, Delhi NCR, this company is the go-to destination for all your reverse engineering needs. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design India Private Limited is dedicated to providing the best solutions in the industry. Reverse engineering is a process that involves analyzing a product or component to determine its design and functionality. It is an essential service for industries that require product improvement, replication, or modification. And Scon Design India Private Ltd. has mastered the art of reverse engineering. Their expertise in this field is unmatched and their commitment to quality is unwavering. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd. apart from other companies is their attention to detail and dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. Whether you need reverse engineering for automotive parts, consumer electronics, or industrial equipment, they have the knowledge and expertise to deliver results that exceed your expectations. With their vast experience in reverse engineering services, Scon Design India